Hola amigo. I'm Jack, your guide, mentor and friend throughout this course. Let's start with one of the most trending and powerful programming language called Solidity. In this ever-changing world, most professional programmers use one or more popular programming languages. This includes C, Python, Java, and more. Here comes Solidity. Yet another programming language. Solidity was designed to be easy to learn for programmers that are already familiar with one or more modern programming languages. Let's move ahead and learn about Solidity. Solidity is a JavaScript-like object-oriented programming language. Solidity was created by Ethereum's team and introduced in 2014. It is also called a contract-oriented programming language. Solidity is designed for developing smart contracts that run on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. Solidity is compiled to bytecode that is executable on the EVM. With Solidity, you can create contracts for uses such as voting, crowdfunding, blind auctions, and multi-signature wallets. Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, is a platform that makes creating decentralized applications easier. It is global, so you can access projects from anywhere in the world. EVM is the part of Ethereum that handles smart contract deployment and execution. It is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Let's understand what makes it superior. Functional, Solidity language is used for smart contracts. This mostly takes care of money-related needs, such as auctions, crowdfunding, or wallets. However, we can create other applications too, say, for voting. Flexible, you can use a Remix online compiler or download a command line compiler on your PC to write smart contracts. Both of these options are absolutely free. Promising, the world spends billions on blockchain solutions every year. While most of it comes from financial companies, all kinds of businesses use blockchain. That puts skilled Solidity developers in extremely high demand. Improving, Solidity language updates, such as new features and bug fixes, are introduced constantly. As we know, Solidity is a contract-oriented programming language, used for writing smart contracts. This brings us to the question, what are smart contracts? Let's have a detailed look. A smart contract is a self-executing contract where the terms and conditions are defined and enforced using the software. Smart contracts are generally stored and secured using blockchain technology. It is smart because the software is doing something automatically once the conditions are met. But, how do smart contracts work? To find the answer, let's start by looking at how a smart contract can be used. Assume that John wants to buy Bill's house. This agreement is formed on the Ethereum blockchain using a smart contract. This smart contract contains an agreement between John and Bill. In the simplest terms, the agreement will look like this: when John pays Bill $300, then John will receive ownership of the house. Once this smart contract agreement has been put into place, it cannot be changed, meaning John can feel safe to pay Bill $300 for the house. Let's assume if we don't use smart contracts. Without the use of a smart contract in this scenario, Bill and John would have to pay lots of fees to third-party companies. Including the bank, a lawyer, and a house broker. It's great, right? No more commissions and no more delays to wait for a lawyer and broker to process the agreement. This is just one of many examples of how a smart contract can be used. Smart contracts are automatically executed once the conditions of the agreement are met.